Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to rename a file in a GitHub repository. If you're working on a project and realize that a file name is incorrect, or you simply want to organize your files better, renaming it on GitHub is actually very simple. Let's jump in. First, go to GitHub and open your repository. Next, find and click the file you want to rename. Now click the pencil icon, also called Edit this file, at the top right. At the top of the editor, you'll see the file name field. Simply change the file name to the new one you want. After that, scroll down to the Commit Changes section. Add a commit message like Renamed File, or leave it empty if you like, and click Commit Changes. And that's it. Your file has now been renamed in your GitHub repository. If you have any questions related to GitHub, let me know in the comments section. I'll try to help you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.